Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will guide you how to find the best condo in Thailand, using my experience to finding $300 per month condo in Bangkok, and all links mentioned in this video will be available at the comments. Here are the 3 steps you need to follow to find you the best condo. Choose the city, decide how long you want to stay and set your budget. The first step in finding a condo is to choose a city. It can be a big city like Bangkok, small island like Koh Samui, or a tourist destination like Phuket and Pattaya. Before Bangkok I lived 6 months at Bali, and after Bali I decided move to Bangkok. If you want to know more about Bali, write comment and I shoot video about this. Next step. You want to stay short term or long term? When you choose the city, decide on the duration of your stay. If you are looking for short term, platforms like Booking, Agoda or Airbnb are good for you. For my short term stays in Bangkok I used Agoda. It had cheaper prices compared to Booking. For long-term stays you can find a condo for $300 per month. Here is how I find my $300 condo in Bangkok. My first aim was to find a lot of qualified realtors. To have more options to choose from, I used 3 ways to find a condo: condo rental sites, Facebook Marketplace and Facebook groups. To find condos on Facebook Marketplace, go to the Marketplace section on Facebook, choose a location in your desired region, select the rent category, select your budget and browse through different options. If you find a condo you like, write to the realtor and ask if this option is available, and also ask if they have more options to you. Facebook groups. Join 5-10 top groups by searching for the rent condo in Bangkok. Once your application is approved, follow the same process as in the marketplace to find your perfect condo. You can also post your rental requirements in these groups to receive messages from potential landlords or realtors. Websites like ddiproperty.com and Thailand/property.com have good filters for search, but not all options may be available. I prefer using Facebook groups to find my condo. What to look for in a condo? When looking a condo, here are a few things to keep in mind. Looking for a condo in popular expat regions like Rama 9, Sukhumvit and Asok. Make sure that your condo has a lot of windows for natural light. Look for a condo with a full equipped kitchen that includes stove, refrigerator and microwave. Check if the condo has new air conditioner to save on electricity bills. Make sure that condo has a comfortable workplace. Choose condo that isn't in a sunny site. Pick a smaller condo building for a cozy feel. Choose a finished condo with no building works. And now I show you a condo that I find in Bangkok. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide can help you to find your best condo in Thailand. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you!